Hello, friends. How are you? I hope all are good. So, today we tried a simple thing, that is fruit salad. Basically, everybody would have tried it. Even if you go for any parties, even you go for any meals, and everywhere you can see fruit salad as a dessert or a course. Anything you will get it. So let's try with a seasonal fruit. We just taken one fruit. That is, we taken only 4 or 5 fruits. That's seasonal, which we got in this lockdown. So let's give a try. So for that fruit salad, we used this mango, watermelon, pomegranate, 2 bananas, grapes, and apple. So let's try what and how we done this fruit salad, and we used a yummy creamy custard so that it tastes good. So first we are taking a ball. In that ball we already sliced it apples. We already sliced the apples. Next we are going to add pomegranate. Then next banana. Then next we are going to add grapes. Then we are going to add mangoes. These all things we already sliced it. After slicing we are adding the ball of it. It's an easy thing, even you're feeling more hungry in the evening time or in the evening 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. If you want healthy things to eat, means you guys can try this because fruit salad is really healthy and nutritious. In this, more vitamins, everything will be. It will be that. That's the reason you guys can try with a ball of fruit salad. Your stomach will be full. Add watermelon. Now for the flavor, we're going to add a creamy, yummy custard. Really, I love it. With when we add this, when it comes to the mouth, how yummy it will be. Now nicely mix up with the creamy custard cream. Just mix it nicely with the bowl for 2 minutes so that you get a little bit layer type. You can use any type of dry fruits you guys having, like walnuts, almond, or something like that, so that it tastes more good. So we top up with sprinkle a little bit dry fruits like just dates and grapes. We had it dry grapes. That's we used it. If what and all there in your home, you guys can try with that. It's not needed you need this things only. You can try what and all fruits there in your home. You can try with it. Seasonal food is best. So I think you guys liked a fruit salad. It's a yummy to me. So I'm getting ready to have it. So you guys also try in your home. If you like it, means subscribe, share, and like it, and thumb up. Thank you. Have a nice day.